Hey guys, alright, for the last interact report for Youth Corp 07, just going to do one major thing, and that's I'm officially replacing Aaron as the... Well, as my first role as...
Welcome, comrades and mates. I am your new Interact leader. This organization has been quite lame under the past regime. However, now that the proletariat has uprisen against the bourgeoisie, we may instigate world revolution for Interact. By the way, next Monday is dressed in your Spartan gear day. Outside the white tree of Gondor. Remember, bring a gold, silver, or copper coin donation. We are not accepting World of Warcraft gold on the Osborne and Proudmore PPE. Today, Friday, is Invade the Staff Room Luncheon Day. For those of you who cannot afford epic pieces of armor, fear not, for you can feel free to visit the Drama Armory. Get ready, for tonight we dine in cake! Boys, I visited our child that we sponsor in Africa. And I talked to him and he said, "We haven't had anything but packages." Surprised really well. And then a bunch of them came out of nowhere and they said, "Yeah, what can't we have some, mate?" And another said, "What about them?" And pointed to two tourists passing by. I said, "Look, just stay back, guys." And out of nowhere, others came and they said, "What about their legs? They don't need them." I said, "Hey, guys, just get back." "Just a mouthful." Enough. And then they jumped the tourists and they started eating them. They said, "Looks like it's bad on the menu, boys." Please, sponsor our child in Africa.